Let's take a look at another one. Another one right here is a company called Teespring. Teespring is going to be t-shirts. You know, and what I encourage you to do is go look at all the other t-shirts people are doing. Okay? That's what I encourage you to do. Look, family. People are making, let's just do grandparents. People are making t-shirts targeting grandparents. Look at this. Let me zoom in. Okay? It's a grandma thing. You know? Papa, the man, the myth, the legend. I do what I do because grandkids don't spoil themselves. You know, you give this to a grandparent who likes to spoil people. I love my grandkids to the moon and back. So you're targeting grandparents on Facebook. And the thing is that Facebook, when you learn how to place ads, inside of Techademics, you're going to learn how to place ads if you don't know how already. But, you know, you can go in here and you could like target grandparents. You know, look at this. Here's a demographic. Household composition, grandparents. So, and then you know, like, in order, you can change the age. So you know, like, let's say somebody who's a grandparent, let's target people who are like 60 years old and older, okay? Or 50 years old and older. So it's probably not going to be grandparent until at least 50, okay? 50 years old and older, grandparents. There's 8.6 million people. Facebook tells you who grandparents are. Look at this. Household composition, okay? Look at this right here. Facebook will tell you, look at all the stuff you can find out. Grandparents, people who are new parents, you could target brand new parents. You could target veterans that are in home, working women, young adults. Look at all this stuff. Facebook gives you can make shirts for all this stuff. An anniversary within 31 to 60 days. So look at this graphic right here. Anniversary within 31 to 60 days, okay? Why is that valuable? Well, remember that product we looked at in Gear Bubble? You guys remember? Let's see if we can go find it again. The product that we looked at was this one. Okay? These people right here that did this I love you one targeted men who love their wives, and they show this. What they probably did is they probably went to Facebook and targeted men who have an anniversary. So watch what I'm going to do here. Instead of grandparents. Anniversary in the next 31 to 60 days, men. And then let's do ages, let's say 30 and above. Men who have an anniversary in the next 31 days. Look, there's 810,000 men have an anniversary in the next 31 to 60 days, according to Facebook. How does Facebook know that? Because we all participate in social networking. We tell Facebook, you know, here's a life event. We just got married. We got married, or our anniversary's coming up. Facebook knows because we post about it. So Facebook knows there's 810,000 men in the United States over age 30 who have an anniversary in the next 31 to 60 days. So we could target them with this product right here, okay? Just like that. So we run a $5 a day. We create this product. We run a $5 a day ad to it to men who have an anniversary coming up, and we sell this. That's how they were able to sell 13,000 of these things. And then we might run a second ad. So ad number 1 might be this one. Ad number 2, we might narrow it down and say, okay, also who are interested in coffee. Okay? So we might do something like that. Okay, there's 200,000 people, so it's a lot less than 800,000. But look at this. Men who have an anniversary in the next 31 to 60 days who are also interested in coffee. I mean, come on now. How targeted can you get? Facebook allows all this kind of stuff, you guys. Anniversary within 30 days. Look at all this. People who have a birthday coming up. People who are born in each month. We could do a mug that shows if somebody's born in each month. Wow, and like what you could do is you can go to these sites, okay? Like go to Teespring or whatever it is. Go to these sites and do a search for like, I don't know, July. Do like a birth month. Go do a search for July and look at this. All men are created equal, but only the best are born in July. So you go to a graphic designer and you say, hey, can you design me a shirt like this? Okay? And then what you do is you create an ad where people have a birthday in July. And so now you create an ad and you go, men 30 years and older who have a birthday in July. Okay? And there's 5 million men 30 years and older who have a birthday in July. You run an ad to them, right? And then, or you run an ad to their wives, okay? Women let's narrow this down and let's do like married, okay? Relationship status married. So watch this. Women over age 30 who are married, and let's not even do birthday in July, but we could do women who are 30 years old and married. We can get them to get this for their husbands, okay? So here's how you target women who are married over age 30. And you could start to target the women and say, here you go, target this, okay? And so you can target the spouses of the husbands, okay? Tons of cool stuff. We're going to get into detail. We'll show you how to do that kind of advanced targeting. And you just get a designer to design a shirt like this. You put it on a mug, you put it on whatever. Queens are born in July, okay? You can target women. So let's go back. Queens are born in July. Watch this. Target married women. Let's narrow down the audience to July. Let's narrow down the audience to, let me go back to what that was. Let me go to anniversary. Let's go to demographics, anniversary. So women who have an anniversary. And let's, instead of anniversary, let's do narrow down the audience. Let's go. And I'll have to show this in another one, you guys, because I don't want to spend a lot more time here. But where was I? Let's go back to interests, demographics, home demographics, home ownership, life events, anniversary, a birthday. Let's do birth month, and let's do July. Birthday in July, okay? And I think you can actually find that a lot easier by just typing birthday in. Let's see. Birthday. Yeah, there it is. If you want to target birthdays, just type in birthday in July. Okay, so let's target, look at this. Women who are 30 years or older, who are married, who have a birthday in July. Okay, 2.5 million women are over 30 years old, married, and have a birthday in July. So what you do is you show them this shirt right here. Queens are born in July. And then you tell women, tag your husband if they should get you this shirt. And now what you got is you got all these women who see this. They're like, oh, I would totally wear that. Comment below if you would wear this. Tag your husband if they should get you this shirt. Get it here. And that's all you do. It's like really simple. Like look at all these different types of designs you can do. I'm a July woman. Look at this. They put together like a whole quote. I'm a July woman. I was born with my heart on my sleeve, a fire in my soul, and a mouth I can't control. Thank you for understanding. And look at that. They're targeting women born in July. Okay? So this is print on demand. You come up with an idea, you get a really cool looking design, and then you try to find an audience that matches it. And that's print on demand. You're experimenting. You're trying to see if you can find some creative audience to match it.